Hey everyone, this is Lacey with Living with Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Y'all, first of all, excuse my voice. It is Sunday and I have been singing all day. And so this is what you get. Sorry. So anyway, but when I got home, my husband had went to the mailbox. I guess he didn't go yesterday. And look at this. I had something in the mail. I'm so excited. And so I wanted to open this up with you so you could see what I was getting. So this is from MOTERM. MOTERM had a huge restocking of, I think, A5, B6, and their weeks. And so I didn't own a weeks. And ever since I started using Sweet Freckles Design, I wanted something to use it with. Now I have used a cover that was like a tin cover. I've also used a Notique cover, but I wanted to try a MOTERM cover because I really missed all of the pocket decorating. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is going to be a really short video, but of course y'all are my people and I want to share what I got. First of all, can we just give a hand clap for MOTERM's boxing? I love their boxing. I just love their packaging. I love this. It's either black or navy blue, but this gold name on here, I love it. Okay, of course it comes in a nice little dust bag. Y'all ready to see which one I got? Okay, so after going on the internet over and over again, looking through various probably YouTube videos, just trying to see, I kind of went between two colors, and the color I went between honey and apricot. Y'all want to take a guess, or y'all like, Lacey, get on with it so we can see? Probably get on with it. Here it is. So this is my very first week's cover. And I went with the apricot. So I was kind of teetering between apricot and honey. I didn't know how light this was going to be. But after looking at all of the YouTube videos, the apricot really had very high ratings. And so I decided to go with it. So guys, this is so beautiful, right? I love the way the leather feels. I like the way it looks. Like the stitching on it. It seems like it's pebbled, but it's not really pebbled. But the leather, it's got a nice little veining going through it. I love the stitching here. Love that. It's actually so pretty. This is so pretty. So I'm looking for my Sweet Freckles Design. The one I'm currently using is probably in my backpack. But I bought it because I also have this Sweet Freckles Design, which is a burgundy compact. If you haven't tried Hannah's planners, you should. They're amazing. And then I also have this one right here, which is I think it's called macchiato, but it's in this beautiful brown. I'm protecting it because I'm using it for next year. Actually, I'm using both of them for next year, but I love that this, I guess the clasp right here, that it can take different sizes, but I want to make sure that I bought something where I had enough space. So if I use this one right here and it swells, I mean, I can go with this first one, but I can go with this second one too. Or if I use this compact and it got full, I would still have some space. Okay, y'all, look at it. This is not my first MOTERM, but this is my first week's. I think the other one that I had ordered was, I guess it was a B6 to use my HP Mini with. I guess so. This is pretty. So it's a pocket right here, And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets where you can decorate those pockets. And then there's lots of storage in this. I'm also thinking about, like, should I go ahead and make this my wallet? More pockets here, pockets here, pockets here, and a nice little pen loop. Oh, I was wondering, like, why is it not laying flat? That is because you have this nice large pocket right here. But guys, I'm so excited to have this. So I'm going to use my Sweet Freckles design. And I think that looks pretty. I think I'm going to have to really decorate the pockets and maybe decorate the front of this to kind of bring out some black or some other tan colors or something like that. And I also love that there are 2 of these, so I can put it in different places. I can have one for my months and one for the weeks that I'm using. Yay! Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. So, you know, I love to chat about it. So let me know in the comments below if you have a MOTERM, if you've used a MOTERM for your weeks before. And if you have one, let me know what color you chose. Oh my gosh, y'all, I saw on Instagram yesterday, I think her name is Sue. I think it's Sue. I'll show you hers, but she had a green one. I was like, now I want the green one. Now I want the green one. Stay off of Instagram. It will have you having FOMO for sure. For sure. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use next year, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my new one in there. Go ahead and put the one I'm currently using in there, in here. So this is it, guys. I just wanted to show you my MOTERM weeks cover. I went with the Apricot. I think it's probably going to change a few colors, but it's really pretty. And I'm used to having everything so dark, like using my traveler's notebook. Everything is such a dark color. I want to go with something a little more light or lighter. See those colors? So I needed something lighter. All right, well, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think about this cover. I am in love with it, and I'm definitely going to start using it, I believe, this week. Yeah, I'm going to start using it this week. I'm not waiting until next year to use this. No one knows what tomorrow brings. Told you I just got out of church. All right, so thank you again for joining me for another video. There's going to be another one coming soon, very soon. All right, so if you have any questions about this MOTERM weeks cover, just let me know. Let's chat about it in the comments. Like I said, I'd love to know if you have one, and if so, which color did you choose? Have a great week. I'll talk to you soon. See you on the next video.